All right, hey there, my name's Brandon and I'm from Sublime SEO Pro. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So when you type in AC repair in Aurora, here's what comes up. You've got your ads up top, your Google Map Pack right here, and then your organic searches right here. So I'm going to go ahead and compare your site to Valiant Air's site, and I'm going to show you what they're doing to get themselves to this #1 spot or #2 spot. I'm not going to go into Yelp. That's a different story. But I'm going to talk to you about what they're doing and what you can do to beat them. Okay? So you're probably wondering why I'm making this in the first place. And it's simple. I realized a while ago that there are so many small business owners out there that are just so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And they don't know who to go out and hire either because they don't know who truly is an expert and who is not. So what I've started doing is creating an attack plan to show small business owners and just giving them away for free. And some people take that information and they do it themselves. And some people call me back and say, hey, you know what, Brandon? I like you. I just don't have the time or the tools to do this myself. Can you do it for me? Whatever you decide to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn something from this video and to help you guys make a lot of money, okay? So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things real quick: content, backlinks, and citations. So what Google cares mostly about when ranking a website is content. So content is king in this industry. The average website homepage has about 1,500 words on it, and so this would be a good starting point for you guys. Get yourself at least 1,500 words, if not 2,000 on this front page. So I went ahead and copy and pasted your content on the front page. It looks like you have 457 words. So you want to get that up a lot higher than that. That'd be a good starting point. But what's in the content matters more than the number of words, okay? So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your entire website. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your service or product, such as AC repair in Aurora. That would be a buyer intent keyword, okay? So I'm going to show you how many keywords you guys have. So this is a tool we use called Ahrefs, and it's a paid tool, but you can access tools like this at no charge, but I just use this tool. So here's your website. You guys currently have 235 keywords, and it's helping you drive in this much traffic per month. Now, this is undervalued or underreported most of the time, so it is likely higher than this, but it's all relative, okay? So you guys have 235 keywords versus your top competitor here, Valiant Air. They have 220 keywords. So your keywords are pretty darn close, but as you can see, they have 112-ish traffic per month versus yours is 70 traffic per month. So the biggest thing here is, what do these keywords look like, and do they have buyer intent behind them? So I'm going to go ahead and look here at your keywords. So you guys have all these keywords. So you've got these keywords with this amount of volume. You're ranked #1 and 2 and 3 for these top 4 keywords, and you're ranked 17, 22nd, 25th, 29th for some of these more important ones. So plumber in Aurora, Colorado, that has more buyer intent, so that's good. Electricians in Aurora, Colorado, those are good. Aurora, Colorado plumbing, those are good. But you can see your rank is over here, okay? You're high in rank here. So let's go look at your top competitor and their keywords. So they've got much higher positions for these keywords. Aurora AC repair Aurora, yada, yada, yada. The list goes on and on and on. Furnace service, Aurora, Colorado. Right? So you need to make sure that you add all of these high traffic and high position and with high volume keywords that is helping this competitor rank, and add all the same ones to your website and add even more than they have per service you offer and per location. So that's the first thing, okay? And you can also save your photos as keywords. So instead of download, you can save that as AC repair in Aurora, or Aurora electrician, or Aurora furnace repair, things like that. You can save all these photos that way, and that's a little trick for you. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. So a backlink is when another website links to your website, driving traffic to you. So Google is like a giant popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to yours. Okay, but again, just like keywords, not all backlinks are created equal. Just like keywords, buyer intent keywords are better than just common keywords. So with backlinks, you want to make sure that they're relevant and trustworthy. So, you want to have backlinks coming from other websites and domains that are in your service industry, like other electricians, other plumbers, blog posts, various directories that serve these types of industries. You can't just link yourself to like a Pizza Hut because Google knows you're not in the food industry. Okay. So you guys have 174 backlinks from 51 domains. Your top competitor has 1,600 backlinks from 517 domains. So this is what's probably really helping them out. Okay. So what you need to do is get as many backlinks as you can that they are already listed in. So you can go into here and see what they are. See right here, 25 best Thornton HVAC repair services. So you can click on this and you can list yourself on here, create a listing for yourself, and that's considered a backlink. Okay, so you want to go through, they've already done the hard work for you. Go through their backlinks, figure out which ones are actually relevant and trustworthy, add yourself to them, and then beat out the number that they have. Okay, so you need to get this 174 backlink up big time. And if you can do those keywords and get more content on your website and get more backlinks, you will outrank them if you do it correctly. Okay, and the next thing I want to talk to you about real quick is how to get into this Google Map Pack here. So this comes down to citations. So a citation is anywhere that you can list your business phone number, address, and name into a directory. So if these guys, you want to figure out how many citations Budget Heating and Cooling has and add yourself to all of the same ones and more. So if they have 200, you want to get yourself in 300, for example, and that will get you listed in this map pack over time. Okay, so those are the 3 things I wanted to talk to you guys about. You can take this information and run with it. You can call me back and give me feedback if you have any. I would love to hear it, and I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this, and I hope you found it valuable. Thanks so much. Have a great day, Gary.